The Box Factory for Arts is gearing up to celebrate a big anniversary. Deborah is here to explain. Good morning, Deborah, and welcome to Hometown Living.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
So talk to us a little bit about the Box Factory, because I didn't know it existed prior to us chatting.
Well, it's been in existence for 30 years in St. Joseph, Michigan on Broad Street, and it's housed in a former box factory, hence our name, which was acquired by the Berrien Artists Guild in 1995, and they had a real vision to create a space for the creative arts for both artists and audiences to enjoy. And through the years, it's built up to a really phenomenal and very unique space, which is 3 floors of artist studios, gallery spaces, workshops, a library for the arts, a main stage for performances. And we have everything from artists, we have painters, we have photographers, we have sculptors, we have fiber artists, we have ceramicists, just to name a few of the kinds of arts that are created there and displayed there. And then on our main stage, every week we have performances on the weekends. During the week we have open mic nights. So it's a center for creativity for the community. And it's just a very vibrant, exciting place to be.
St. Joe to me seems like a very artsy town anyway, let's just say. What does it mean for that community to have a space this large that can showcase all of these artists?
Well, I think it contributes to the cultural scene in St. Joe, and actually we serve the southwestern Michigan region, northwestern Indiana, and beyond. We really attract people from all over, sometimes from across the country, but even the world. People stop in to visit. So I think it really adds to the community. One of the things that's a special thing, for example, right now it's April, and this is the time of year each year that we have the annual student show. Students from 12 regional elementary, middle, and high schools show their work, and it's just a lovely time of year because the building is filled with beautiful art by these very talented kids. And the children come in, the families come in. It just really, I think, speaks to why it is an important community venue.
Well, and for these young students to come in and see these other artists, the adult artists, and then have their work sitting up against them, that must be so inspiring for them and for the artists as well.
Well, sometimes we say their art's the best in the building.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine. But the other thing is, though, too, you offer, I want to say seminars, but I don't know if that's the right word. Like I saw that you're doing something with kites where they can, you take them and you make like a pouch or something on them.
There are all kinds of different workshops the artists themselves will offer through the year, and there's a weekly drawing class that happens. But yes, there are many ways that our website has all the details about the different workshops that take place throughout the year. It's changes every time somebody comes up with a really good creative idea to offer.
So how does an artist get involved with the Box Factory?
Well, there are 60 studios, or more than 60 studios, that are available for artists' space to rent. And right now we're full up with a long waiting list, so it's a popular place. But we also have a membership to the Berrien Artists Guild, and people participate as members coming to various events. We do a monthly, it's called the Gilded Gatherings, that members come to just talk about art, learn more about particular aspects of the art experience.
So the music part of it, like that is for the community to also come and enjoy.
Absolutely. We have all kinds of entertainment on the main stage, which is a lot of fun. Our mission is to support emerging and established artists, and we take that mission very seriously because it's a place where we can allow people to get a start. And we've had some real success stories of people who have made their first appearances on our main stage and then go on to great success. And one of those people is Brian Lubeck, who's going to be the showcase for our 30th anniversary benefit concert. He started at the Box Factory. Now he's an internationally touring artist, and we're very proud of him and of the association that he has with the Box Factory.
How wonderful that he's going to come back and be a part of the celebration. Oh my gosh, I love it. Well, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for all the wonderful things you're doing for that community and for rising artists.
Well, thank you.
If you would like to check out the Box Factory or plan a visit, you can plan ahead at the boxfactoryforarts.org, and don't forget to follow them on social media.